I'm not a designer. I now have to use Photoshop or Canva, but I'm not an expert, but it's still, I have designed 1,000 thumbnails. I'm running more than 10 YouTube automation channels, and we are publishing more than 150 videos per month. I've been doing this for the last 5 years, so the overall number of thumbnails that I have created is way more than 1,000. But let's say I designed 1,000 thumbnails, so maybe I don't design 150 thumbnails per month, but I do come up with their ideas, and this catches the sketch of them. After designing 1,000 thumbnails, what I learned is what makes a good thumbnail. Well, as you probably realize by now, I'm not going to teach you in a software. All I will be talking about is the overall idea of a thumbnail and the philosophy behind it. If you have a great thumbnail idea, even if you don't design it like a professional designer, it will still perform great. Now let's dive in. I can probably summarize everything that I've learned in one sentence. A good thumbnail is a thumbnail that tells a story or evokes an emotion or creates curiosity or creates controversy. That's it. That's everything that is important when it comes to thumbnails. So every time you look at a thumbnail after this video, or every time you're designing a thumbnail or brainstorming for a thumbnail, think about this. What story is your thumbnail telling? How can you add emotion to that story? How can you create curiosity or controversy with that thumbnail and the story behind it? How can you convey the story better with the thumbnail? How can you paint the story better? These are the questions you should ask yourself, and the answers to these questions will make your thumbnail a lot better. As I said,